Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your data from Goodreads to StoryGraph. First, open a web browser on your iPhone like Safari or Chrome. Go to the Goodreads website and log into your account. Tap on your profile picture, then tap Account Settings. Scroll down until you see the Export Library. Tap it and Goodreads will appear your data. When it's ready, download the CSV file. This file contains your book, reading and reading datas. Now open a new tab and go to the StoryGraph website. Log in to your StoryGraph account, tap Account Settings, then choose Import Data, select from the Goodreads. Tap Choose File and select the Goodreads CSV file on your downloads. Then tap Upload. StoryGraph will begin transferring your data. This may take a few minutes depending on how books are and how many books you have. Once the import is finished, your book, reading and reading history will appear in StoryGraph. You will also get an email with the transfer is complete message. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.